With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is, you are designing a elevator for a hospital. So we have to design a elevator for the hospital, and the force exerted on a passenger by the floor of the elevator is not exceed than 160 times the passenger weight, and the elevator accelerate upward with the constant acceleration here for the distance 3 meter, and then start to slow down. The maximum speed of the elevator is, so we have to find the maximum speed here. So the solution of this question is, let us suppose this is our elevator here. This type of elevator here we have. This is our elevator here, and the man is, let us suppose this is the man here, and normal force is acting in this direction, and mass and gravity is acting in this direction, mass and gravity. So from this we can write here, so force on the person is equals to, so this will be equals to summation of vertical forces, and this will equals to m into vertical acceleration here. And from this we have f of y, force on man, is equals to n minus mg, mass into gravity, and this is mass of a, mass ma. So we have n is given to us 1.6, is not exceed. So we have normal force that is acting on the man is not exceed than 1.6 mg. So we have times of the, so from this we can write here, a is given to us, acceleration is 3 meter with a speed of, so we have 3 meter with constant acceleration for a distance of 3 meter. So we can write here ma is equals to 0.60 g here. So if we multiply this by 10, so we get 0.60 into 10, so we get acceleration is 6 meter per second square here. So we know that the equation of motion v square is equals to u square plus 2a square. This is final velocity plus this is equals to initial plus 2 time of a into distance. So from this we can write here, our v square is equals to initial velocity is 0 and 2 time of a is 6, and s is maximum distance is given to us 3. So from this we get v square is equals to 6 meter, 2 into 6, and v square is 12 into 3 is 36. So we get velocities, we take an under root both side. So by taking root we get 6 meter per second here. So this is our velocity for this question. So this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.